Good morning, everyone. I hope you are doing well. So today I have an update here in the backyard. So as you see, we already installed the white privacy in the side of the fence. And I really liked it. So this is on the side of the house where the new walkway as well. And I have added some perennial plants as well in this side of the box. So I added some creeping Jenny and the acetylene Venice big leaf hydrangea in here. And I have the Diamantino Pinacolada hydrangea right here that I got from cuttings from one of my plants. So I'm hoping that this will grow next year. And then I would continue to plant a alyssum again here next year because I really liked it. So what's gonna happen is next spring all the creeping Jenny will flow out of the box and will grow all the way to the rocks. So I had creeping Jenny in there. I think I have 4 plants right there. And then beside it I will continue to add the alyssum. And I am thinking what perennial should I add in here. I still have some space. So this is one of the rows that I have in here. And it's coming along. These lupins right here I grew from seeds, so by spring I think they're going to do well. We'll see. So far the side of the house is coming along. And I am so surprised this morning. We had a frost already, but look. The rose is still blooming. And there's another one right here. You see this? Very nice. Oh, actually, I have another one that I want to show you. I'm so surprised. All the roses right now is blooming, although we already had a frost and the night is very cold now. But look at this big rose. So pretty. So what I'm gonna do today, I am going to dig the tubers of my Dahlia in here and store it. We have 2 days of frost already, so they are ready to go inside the house and store in the basement. Oh, I want to show you one of my clematis is blooming as well. Let's go there. This is the clematis that I have right here, and it's so beautiful. Look at the bloom. So pretty. Anyways, I am going to do a lot of plant moving here in the backyard. And hopefully I will manage to do it today because I only have 1 day off, and trying to do all of this and clean up more here at the backyard and digging some plants and putting away some stuff. So join me as I dig these Dahlia tubers and I will show you how it looked like after all the tubers. Already? Dahlia tubers right here. Look at my beautiful Dahlia tuber. My goodness, this is huge. Look at that. So I'm gonna clean it up and let it dry and store it in the basement. So here's the 3 Dahlia tubers that I dug out, and look how massive it is. It's so big and it's so healthy. Here's another one right here. See that? And then another one right here. So these are the pom-pom red flower dahlia. And in here, I have dug out one of my dahlia that didn't do well this season. So I'm going to save it for the next year. So this is like peach plate dahlia. And I'm still able to save it because the tuber is still very healthy. So they are going to the basement, be stored, and make sure that I clean it up, let it dry, and store it in the dark where the temperature is a little bit cooler, and they would sleep, and then, well, ready to be planted again next spring. Here it is, all the mess. I've been cleaning since this morning and trying to put all the piled of plants here that I have cut and dug out, and going to throw it in the compost bin. So as you see, the yard is a mess right now, but I'll be able to clean it all up and I'll show you how it looks like after. Anyways, that's all for today. I hope you're having a good day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.